That one is really hard to get to, isn't it?
You know, Jim, you should have... I'll bet you this is ground, and then the green... These are the inverter lights right here.
Yeah. The green makes sense to me.
So that couples to these two here.
Green, red, and the black do make sense to me when it comes to inverters, but the other ones are all white.
That's funny.
How do you know?
Like that. Huh. Well, where does the ground go?
Okay.
Oh, I see what it is.
Is it okay if the switch stopped working?
What?
Is it okay if the switch stopped working, the motor?
It's not working now? That's funny. Something went wrong. Oh, the wire disconnected.
Oh, shit.
I was going to solder it, see. Probably I'll get the solder and do that.
You have a soldering gun that takes a battery the way that impacts do?
Have a what?
A soldering gun that takes the batteries the way that impacts do? You know, cordless?
No, I don't.
They make them though?
I have to get electric. I didn't know they even had that.
Me neither, that's why I was asking you.
Uh-oh, it's only going in one direction.
No.
What's wrong with that?
Is it the switch?
Could be the switch. It was working before, though. That's weird. I'll have to check it out.
If you arc something across there, will it go?
Yeah, I gotta go get wires.
Can't you just touch this to that? Will it go?
I'm trying it. Oh, there you go. It's a switch. It's a switch.
Okay.
Yeah, the switch is going out. I could find another one.
But wait a minute, it's something's wrong, or it's not. The switch can't go all the way because of that hole. Look at the hole.
Oh, you're
It's
right.
hitting the metal.
This is different from the other. You're right. That's why. Well, we'll have to take this plate off and move it, or open it up a little bit.
Open it up, I'd say.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay.